something that might unite the audience. I would like you to give me a cheer if you have ever pretended that you were defusing a bomb by stopping the microwave with only 1 second left. Yeah, we've all done that. Excellent. Guys, please come up for your next act. Antonello... no, I've got to get this right. Antonello Taurino!
I am Antonello, and even if I am badly dressed, I'm Italian. If I work in Italy dressed like this, I will be immediately arrested by Prada police. Oh, wonderful, London, because you know, all stereotypes about Italians are true. We are great cooks, great lovers, great mafia gangsters. So our perfect evening is like that. We invite a pretty girl in our place every dinner to make her our delicious food. Then we make hot sex with her in the bedroom. Then we ask her to take part in a robbery. Sometimes it's a problem because they don't want to have sex. For the robbery, no problem, because in Italy we say that if you really love a woman, you steal a car with her. Yesterday I visited in London a lot of things, I arrived 4 days ago. It's full of Italians, very easy to recognize Italian people walking London, very easy, even if it's cloudy weather, they wear sunglasses. Then I go to Harbour Road, where there was the famous picture of the Beatles, and I think, John Lennon. But if they shot at John Lennon, what should they do to Britney Spears? Then I go to the Tate Gallery, and I enjoy a lot to do a joke, a gag, that I did in each contemporary modern art museum that I visit. Please do the same thing. I did the same in MoMA, in New York City, in Pompidou Center, in Paris. I enter in this room full of masterpieces of contemporary art, very conceptual. And I enter and I stop myself while the other visitors look at me and stop with a reflection her in front of the fire extinguisher. So, London's fantastic, but you know, let's think about what they think about Italians. We are famous for pizza, spaghetti, church, mafia, Berlusconi mafia, the same thing, more or less. Because really, church. I'm not Catholic, but what strikes me, what surprised me in Jesus' life was not his miracle. It was not the fact that he walked on the water, that he multiply fish and chips. No. What strikes me is the fact that how Jesus managed to do what he did without using a microphone and a suitable make-sound system. French Revolution, Russian Revolution, Napoleon, Roman Empire, the speech of the politicians, everything happened without microphone. In fact, as concern of Jesus, this creates a lot of misunderstanding when he spoke. Love each other without any limitation. Just do it with responsibility. Love each other with some limitation. Just avoid homosexuality. Are you sure? Okay. I write from the gospel. Okay, Mark. Okay, John. And Matthew, they are the same. But my dream is to trouble the Pope. Ratzinger, to come to go to him and asking, excuse me, my dear Pope, do you favor or oppose same-sex divorce? No, in Italy, in church, there is a lot. We have to invent a new film genre, the Catholic porno movie. It's a movie, yes, because before each sex scene with the man and the woman, a priest pops out and marries them. Sorry, and marries them. I don't remember, but okay, marries them, yes, but no, because the other problem is mafia. No, mafia, the fact of church is very big problem for homosexuality in Italy is very like this, you know. For instance, I'm not gay, but I have a lot of friends gay, I love gay. I invite gay to multiply, to become more. For such reason, I love, for such reason, the world will be better, and the second reason is a matter of statistics. The more they are, the more pussy remains for us. So became more and more. But the other problem is mafia. Where I live in Italy, my neighbor was a so semi-bad place that my father used to remind me not to take drugs from strangers. Buy it from trusted people. They could fool you by giving you candy. So, this is true. This is not my material. In London Olympic Games, the last in July, Italy, it's true, please check it out. Italy won gold medal only on judo, skeet, carabine, and the gun. Really, because we practice on the street. We did not even know the Olympic sport. Daily, like telling from now onwards, eating rice will be an Olympic sport. For sure, Chinese people. It's normal. This summer I went to New York City and I did the extra question. But according to me, the more stupid question that the guy said was did you take part to some activities of the Nazi Party between 1933 and 1945? But an honest question, not because too many here have passed, but because if it really was a Nazi who killed millions of Jewish, would I have trouble telling a lie? No, Mama said exterminate the Jewish, but you will tell a lie, so I did something. But in New York City, you can walk in the street with a gun, but not with a beer. In Italy, it's the opposite. Which ones are the lucky ones? The Italians or the Americans? I think the Americans. Because even if it's still too uncomfortable to celebrate, you hear Sahiv come down shooting at the sky. Have you ever tried to do a robbery with a bottle of champagne? You look like a Formula 1 race winner. Terrible. I followed also when I was 1 minute. Okay, I occurred a lot when I come in England with the hostess because he said me to fasten the seatbelt, and I said no, it's useless. Have you ever had a news like that? A plane crashed on the ground, but all the passengers are alive because they haven't fastened the seatbelt. Never. Please, I love London, wonderful, but one thing I don't like, English cooking. I should say. But then I thought and I said, maybe there is a plan. Maybe for your country, English cooking played an important role as in a military strategy as an army weapon to avoid foreign invasions. You know? Hitler, they didn't buy England. No, let's keep it in Britain and I finish just saying that I tell you a lot of lies.